Idaho Hammer Alert. Hello, Idaho.
This is an activation of the
Amber Alert system.
This is the Idaho State Communications Center. We have just received this important information regarding a child abducted in Bingham County. The Bingham County Sheriff's Office is looking for a child that is believed to be in danger. The child's name is Francine Corrine Baird. She is a 14-year-old female with blonde hair and was last seen wearing black or blue hoodie and blue jeans. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact 208-785-1234 or 911 immediately.
Okay, so first Texas, and now Idaho. Like, what is going on here?